Welcome to the Canadian Fly and Fishing Weekly Update. Another great week here out of Red Lake, Ontario. Um, the weather is starting to cool off in the evenings here in the late part of the season, getting down to 50 degrees, even cooler some evenings this past week. The water surface temperature has gone from about 69 degrees down to 66.5 degrees over the last week. We're getting quite a bit of rain in the early part of this week, which is actually much needed, so that's a good thing. The fishing overall, spectacular as usual. The big walleye of the week was 28 inches. The biggest pike this week was 43 inches. We had a group coming off of Mimi. It was their first time on a fly-in fishing trip, and they said they stopped counting after they caught 1,000 fish. Always great to hear that, especially from a group on their first fly-in. We are taking bookings for 2020. If you're interested, please give us a call, 1-800-445-4624. We do have a few openings early in the season. Now, if you're after those big trophy pike, I'd recommend that early part of the season, that 49-inch pike that was caught this year. That was caught in the first week of the season. In any case, if you're interested in booking a trip, I'm working with multiple groups to coordinate dates right now, so our availability is changing. Please give me a call for up-to-date available dates. Again, you can reach us at 1-800-445-4624.